Here we have one more question. Please subscribe my channel for more solutions. For more solution, which the problems came in CSIR net exams. So today I am explaining 2011 CSIR physical science that the problem comes under classical mechanics. This is a problem: the potential of a diatomic molecule as a function of the distance or between the atoms is given by P of r equal to minus a by r power 6 plus b by r power 12. This is the equation. It's the equation, the potential of a diatomic molecule as a function of r. A by a r and b constants here. A by r power 6 plus b by r power 12. The value of the potential at equilibrium separation between the atoms is. So we have to find potential at equilibrium separation between the atoms. These are the two atoms here, diatomic molecule, that separated by r distance. This is the distance at the two atoms are separated equilibriumly. So this is for solution for this one. At equilibrium separation, minus dou by dou r v of r equal to 0. Minus dou v of r by dou r of v potential, that is equal to 0. So what v of r already we have the potential equation, minus a by r power 6 plus b by r power 12. This is a given equation. So minus dou by dou r. So we applied here. Minus a minus 6 r power 7 plus b minus 12 by r power 13 equals 0. So we equate. Finally we got r equal to 2b by a whole power 1 by 6. This is the equilibrium separation. This is the equilibrium separation. This is one molecule, two molecules separated by 2b by a whole power 6 distance. A and b are constants. So this is, we got now equilibrium separation distance. At that distance, the value of potential we have the find. So the next solution, its equilibrium solution are equal to b by a whole power 1 by 6. V of r, the potential function of r, a minus a by r power 6 plus b by r power 12. So here r power 6 we substituted 2b by a, r power 12 2b by a whole square. So there is nothing there, the minus. So here what we did here, it goes up a square minus 2b plus b a square by 4b square. We take in common 4b square, we will get minus b a square by 4b square. B we cancel, minus a square by 4b. So the potential at equilibrium separation distance is minus a square by 4b. This is the answer, minus a square by 4b. So that is the equilibrium separation is equal to v by a whole power 1 by 6. V of r equal to minus, which is minus a square by 4b. See one more question, this one. Two identical particles masses move in circular orbits under a central potential. That is, central potential is function of distance, that is equal to half kr square. This is the central potential equal to half kr square. Two identical particle masses move in a circular orbits. Okay, they are moving circular orbits. So the potential function equal to half kr square. The potential function depends on r. So here next, let L1 and L2 are angular momenta and R1 R2 be the radii of orbits respectively. If L1 by L2 equal to 2, the value of the R1 by R2 is. So the total question, it is the two particles are in under central potential are there. So the two circular orbits they are forming. So L1 and L2 angular movement of different two. L1 first particle angular moment, L2 is second particle angular moment. R1 is the first particle radius, second particle R2. So we know already, we have that equation, central potential equal to j square by 2m r square plus v of r. This is this one. So v of r equal j square by 2m r square plus half kr square. V of r is nothing but already we have, that is central potential of kr square for circular orbit. If it is the particle is in circular orbit under central potential, dou by dou r differentiation dou by dou r v effect equal to 0. So we substitute here. So what we have here, dou by dou r of j square by 2m r square. So this is a constant, minus 2 by r cube. Okay, plus half k r square, 2r, 2r, r square means 2r, 2 cancel. So we got this one, j square by mr cube equal to kr, j square equal to mk r power 4, mk r power 4, j equal to under root mk r square, that is equal to j proportional to r square. What is j here? Angular momentum. What is j here? Angular momentum. Angular momentum is proportional to radius of particle, which is moving under central potentials. From this equation, j1 by j2 equal to r1 square by r2 square. j1 by j2, that is nothing but l1 by l2. l1 by l2 equal to, we have already 2. So just substitute here, r1 square by r2 square. r1 by r2 equal to root 2. So this is, we have the options root 2, 1 by root 2, 2, 1 by 2. So this first option is right.